Welcome to this video on aerospace engineering and operations technologists and technicians. These professionals are the critical link in the chain that ensures every aircraft and spacecraft launch is safe and successful. In this video, we explore how these hands-on experts bring engineering designs to life. While engineers create the vision, these technicians operate the hardware, track essential data, and validate the results to keep projects moving forward. Testing begins long before any vehicle takes flight. From structural stress to thermal extremes, aircraft and spacecraft undergo years of rigorous evaluation. Technicians are at the heart of every single one of these tests. The output of this work is defined by safety and precision. Because tolerances are measured in thousandths of an inch, your work directly determines whether a system succeeds or fails, impacting crew safety and mission integrity. The work environment is as diverse as the field itself. You might work in manufacturing plants, specialized testing laboratories, or office settings where data is analyzed and reported. Most roles are full-time and often support critical production timelines. In summary, technicians bridge the vast gap between an initial engineering plan and a flight-ready system. By keeping testing smooth and on-spec, you ensure engineers can move forward with absolute confidence. What does your day-to-day work look like? It involves operating and calibrating complex computer systems, building and maintaining testing facilities, recording vital performance data, and installing precise instrumentation. Equipment is truly the language of the aerospace technician. Beyond just using tools, you are expected to build, calibrate, and maintain complex test facilities like hydraulic rigs and thermal chambers to ensure results remain reliable and repeatable. Before testing can occur, parts must fit the proof. Technicians are responsible for the precise fabrication and installation of test articles. A single error here can invalidate months of work or damage irreplaceable, expensive hardware. Even with advanced technology, instruments still need a human in the loop. You will physically install and calibrate sensors, transducers, and data recorders, ensuring they function perfectly before the testing phase begins. Quality is defined by the data you capture. You are responsible for logging measurements such as structural loads, temperature, pressure, and vibration, providing engineers with the clean, reliable information they need for analysis. To wrap up our look at daily operations, remember that procedure execution, an unwavering focus on safety, and real-time vigilance are the hallmarks of a successful testing technician. Collaboration is essential. A critical part of the role is meeting with aerospace engineers to discuss procedures and test implications. This high-level communication ensures that test setups accurately reflect the original engineering intent. Modern aerospace requires a balance of simulations and physical reality. You will often program computer models to predict performance before hardware is built, making the ability to bridge software and physical testing a highly valued skill. Finally, the job is defined by its problem-solving aspects, precisely calibrating equipment, diagnosing unexpected malfunctions, and restoring functionality to keep critical programs on schedule. This concludes our look at the role. Beyond data collection, your role includes interpreting results to confirm systems meet strict engineering and regulatory requirements. You'll compare outcomes against acceptance criteria and flag any anomalies for further review. You are the bridge between design and reality. By creating controlled, repeatable test conditions, you turn engineering intent into measurable data. This translation is where mission success is ultimately determined. If you are interested in becoming an aerospace technician, the most common entry point is an associate's degree in engineering technology. Many community colleges and vocational technical schools offer these specialized 2-year programs. There are alternative paths as well. Some employers accept a high school diploma paired with a technical certificate program in areas like electronics or aviation maintenance, especially if you have demonstrable hands-on experience. Training is a continuous process. You will combine your formal education with on-the-job training in real-world facilities to learn proprietary systems, and you will continue to update your skills as industry technology evolves. If you work in defense or with government contracts, you may need a security clearance. U.S. citizenship is often required, and while the process can take time, higher clearance levels can unlock access to more specialized, higher-paying programs. To summarize the entry process, earn an associate's degree, focus on building hands-on skills through internships or lab work, and begin your career with a company where you can grow your clearances and expertise over time. The median annual pay for this role is approximately $79,830. Compensation often scales with experience, specialized skills, and the type of program, with senior or high clearance roles potentially earning well over $120,000 annually. There are currently around 9,300 of these specialized jobs in the United States. While the field is focused, it is vital to the country's defense, commercial aviation, and space exploration industries. The outlook is strong, with an 8% projected growth rate between 2024 and 2034. This is considered much faster than average, driven by the rapid acceleration of both the commercial spaceflight and defense modernization sectors. Expect consistent demand, with roughly 900 job openings projected each year. Much of this growth comes from the need to replace experienced technicians who retire, creating a steady stream of opportunities for new professionals. This is a career with a long-term trajectory. As systems become more complex and commercial space travel expands, the technicians who test these systems become more indispensable, turning early experience into senior leadership roles. Demand is further rising due to the satellite economy. Reduced launch costs have allowed startups and more governments to deploy satellites, increasing the need for technicians who can test and integrate that hardware. Looking ahead, your work will involve new challenges in green aviation, AI-driven diagnostics, and drone swarms. These emerging fields are creating entirely new specializations for the modern aerospace technician. To wrap up, this career is defined by consequence. From a median salary of nearly $80,000 to the potential for six-figure earnings, it offers a challenging, purposeful path where your precision makes the mission possible. This program was brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Career Path series.